I'm Rudy from N14x4. If you drive a 80 series, 76 series, 79 series or a 105, this kit is for you. So if you hear any loud clunking noises or rattles under your vehicle, it is possible that your control arm, stabilizer bar or panel rod bushes is perished or worn. This is also a very good example of a worn bush, and now it's time to replace it. This kit consists of your 2 panel rod bushes, 2 destabilizer arm bushes, round bushes on the ends of your stabilizer bar, and your 6 control arm bushes, 3 on each arm as you can see over here. If you hear any loud clunking noises under your vehicle or rattles that you're uncertain of, please bring in your Land Cruiser to our certified RMI workshop. And thank you, Cole, and enjoy a nice cup of cappuccino while we assess your vehicle. If this kit interests you, you're welcome to get in contact with us at info@n14x4.co.za or get in contact with our sales team on 012-545-0200. And just a quick reminder for the perfect Father's Day gift, go and check out our exclusive branded clothing on n14x4.co.za.